Always follow your dreams. Do something you love, then you love what you do.
I wanted to make a difference.
I've seen an interview on TV of Aisha Al-Hamli. She is the first female Emirati pilot, so I got inspiration from her.
It was an unforgettable journey. It took a lot of hard work, compromises, but it was also fun at the same time and totally worth it.
It's an amazing feeling, you know? You feel the excitement once you say take off and you roll.
Actually, flying for Emirates is like a dream come true. I feel extremely proud to fly one of the biggest airlines in the world.
It's one of the most prestigious airlines in the world. We fly to 6 continents and a lot of amazing and exciting destinations.
As an Emirati pilot, I'm proud to fly our flag all over the world.
I find it a very positive thing for other young girls to look at us as a role model.
Flying for Emirates is something I'd be proud of for the rest of my life.
Being an Emirati woman means a bits and pieces of everything, from the past and the present and the future, from being covered to being pretty to being intelligent and being inspired and being powerful. All this is combined to give you an Emirati woman.
Happy Emirati Women's Day from all of us at Emirates.